Well, hello there, guys. My name is Theodore, and welcome to your 20th tutorial on how to make e-commerce website. So today we're gonna do the page where our customers can view the product. So for example, if I am interested about this t-shirt right here and I want to watch it, I'm gonna click here. We're gonna make a link all of this, and it's gonna take me to a page where I can view all the details that I want for this product. Now, of course, in order to do that, we're gonna do the new page. So I want you guys to open the index page and click File, Save As, and name it view.php. And here we're gonna view the products. So let's see what we need. We don't need this. Okay. Okay, let's see. We don't need the product display right here. Actually, yes, so little like that. So now we shall carry out more data than this. But before we start that, we need to know if the product is set already. So we're gonna do that with using an if statement. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about, I'm gonna explain in a second. So wait, be patient. So if it's set, get close here, ID, then. And we're gonna make here a variable equals ID equals nothing. Okay, so ID is gonna be equal to break replace, and what this actually does, it filters anything. So remember that exists something named SQL injection, and if you don't know what is SQL injection, you can check out my videos on how to hack a site, and I'm gonna explain there. Where instead of numbers, people can come and put different type of characters that can hack your database, so you don't want that. So if you set a get ID blah blah blah, it's gonna be filter. Then we continue on with the page. ID is gonna be equal to this. Else, and this means we have no ID and they try something busy. Well, we're gonna redirect them. Header location. Index.php, or you can put here your URL site, and we of course exit the script because we don't need that anymore. So simple and easy. Okay, so here we don't need. Let's put a people comment. Okay, select all from products. So select all where ID is equal to variable ID, which comes from here, limit 1. Oh no. Okay, now everything is done. What we need? So we need more to carry out, so I'm gonna go to database and see. Okay, so we have name pricers. We need a category. Okay. We have the brand? No. So we need the brand, the category, the size, the description, and the status. So after name, I'm gonna put here brand, which equals to row brand. I think it's brand. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna see something like category. Control C, Control V, category. Sizes. No, I don't want this. So sizes sizes, description, okay, and the status, and that. And this is all we need about. We don't need more. I think that it's enough info for now. We don't need here a div. We're gonna use a table. So table width, and I don't know what we need actually. So let me see again. I'm sorry, but I really fast forgot what size we have here, so don't piss me off, because I'm gonna punch you in the face. So it's 500 by 580. So it's 580. Border, no, don't need. Cell padding, 5. 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Cell spacing equals 4 as well. And okay. Now here instead of div put table. Sorry. Okay. So we're gonna create 1, 2, 3, 4 table row. The image is gonna be one table row, so table row. So td, and you got it, guys. We're gonna put the image here, so and it's come there. Now this is gonna have a width about let me see. So the image is, let's say 300, and also put here a width about 290. That's gonna be cool. So let's make that. I think it's okay. Okay. Now that we know the width here, we need another table row, td and td, and the width is gonna be equal to 280 pixels. And by the way, I want you to put view line to top here and here. Good. Now, okay, you need to put this, pump this right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Actually, we don't need the break line here. Sorry. And now we stop because I want to see something. So save this basically, and I'll go to index.php, and here where it says div, put an href. So href. No, actually we're gonna put only on the image. So where it says image here, href equals, okay, let's say href here, close here, view, not php, which is the page we created, and id is equal to id. Now we're gonna save. Refresh. If I go here, it's a link and ID 5. So let's click to Nike's B. Well, that is nasty. We don't have the image. So let me see about what we are talking about here. Oh yeah, so the mistake is pretty small. We have to copy this, and we don't need here a doc. We need already this variable, so copy this, and you can name it this product. I'm gonna control C, and we have to paste here echo variable save. And this was the error. Of course, it doesn't look pretty cool, but you know, it's okay. For a reason, we have the products. Now we can make simple updates. And I think we have a problem, because if I go here and do something like this, we're gonna notice a variable. So we don't add that. So we're gonna add a script to eliminate that. So what we're gonna do is a simple filter. So I'm gonna say here that ID equals to, again, this. Now I'm gonna say something like MySQL check. Let's say check is equal to MySQL underscore query select ID from product where ID equals to ID limit 1. Let's say something like and when I put this verb in, I was thinking about maybe. So if maybe is equal to MySQL underscore fetch underscore numbers, sorry. Check. Now if so if m is greater than 0, no, wait. So if is equal to 0 is more easy. So if it's equal to 0, and this means we don't have this that product, again, gonna redirect. So copy this again. Control C, Control V, save. Refresh. Now I go to product, and what? Oh my god, we have a problem. My fault, sorry. We're gonna do something else with setting the script. So we can definitely delete this, and I'm sorry for this. But I forgot that we have here this, so I'm gonna definitely delete this. We have here the if statement that tell us that if the count is greater than 0, then execute the script. But if else, and this means we don't have that product, then we are gonna header location index.php and we execute the script. By the way, save. Should be okay now. Yeah, it's okay. And for a reason I put product 50, it's gonna redirect me. Now it's okay. So it happens, I have small errors like all people know. Now let's query out all the data we need. So basically, I'm gonna put to the image right here a border about 1 pixels. More than 1 pixels. Okay. Because I want to see the definitely good like this. Okay. Now we can give styles. So H, I'm gonna put here something like H2. Wait, so we have here in the products. where it was? No. Style. Forms. Yeah, I want you guys to import the forms. Definitely need the forms. So I'm gonna Control C, Control V, delete the PHP code forms, because we need that. Okay. Now I go to a where it was a. Now we're gonna set here that class is equal to. Oh well, we know don't have the style. Wait a second. Page title. Control C. Where it is. Control V. And close the H2 tag right here. Now, I'm gonna definitely say here that is bold, so Lego. And also here Lego. Okay, now let's see how it looks. Don't have that style, but why not? Okay, forms.css, sorry, save. Now let's see. Looks good for me. And we can make this image a little smaller because if someone, we have larger name, it's gonna look pretty weird. Now let's come back here and say the width about 250, and it's okay actually. So we add here, so if we put here 250 and here we put about 200, 330, save. And let me show you another trick. So let's say that someone wants to see the image full. So I'm gonna say href is equal to, and import the source code from here. I should put the variable and have it right here. Control C. Like that. Again, it's pretty weird and hard, so let me see. Now we have an error. Double $, save, delete that. Why we don't have the image? Wait a second. Yeah, we have to close here the H. Oh my god, save. Too many errors. Now if I click here the image, I'm gonna take me to the full image size, and it's the full size we have in our store. And let's add something more. So let's say that target, not target, equals underscore blank. So save, refresh. Now it's gonna open the image on the top. That's what we want. Now let's query out all the data, and then we're gonna style that in it later on. So rand category. So I'm gonna Control C after the price right here. Control V. Rand. Not gonna be with no dollar signs. It's gonna be rand. Okay, next thing. Control V. category, sizes. We're gonna do that with the sizes in the next video because it's a little long. Status, description. Save. A bunch of data. I know, but we have a lot of to do with the style right here. So we're gonna do that in the next video because in this moment we don't have any time. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.